Good morning, SBGers. We are out here again, and as you can see, the tide is moving my boat, and it is outgoing tide right now. Going that way, we need to head that way. And what we're gonna do today is just fish bridges. I think there's 3 or 4 bridges, one behind me as we just passed. We're gonna go up here and fish this one, and then there's another big one, and then we'll see if we can just catch something while we discover and explore these bridges. Thank y'all for coming along. As you can see, it's a little overcast today. We've had, but the last 5 days has been triple digits, and today is the first day that it's not gonna be in the triple digits. I think it's 98. So I'm not sure if that's going to better our bite or make the bite a bit tougher. By the way, we out here as we do, tough conditions or not. We'll see if they want to bite today. Starting off with this crawfish color swim bait pattern, seeing if they want this. And it's Tuesday, I took the day off, so I think I have this huge delta to myself. I did see some bank fishermen earlier, so there are some anglers out here, but as boaters, I haven't seen one yet, and that's rare. I'm sure we'll see someone now. Man, and today I brought the DIY bait. I brought DRTs.
I brought a toxic bait, gill pattern. Also have an OG black dog bait. I believe it's a shell cracker, a little pompadour spinner bait, and frog.
But I'm hoping to get a bite on these swim baits. As y'all know, I love a swim bait bite. And I may want to go topwater since it's overcast. Didn't know what that was. Thought I had a bite. it was gonna be biting earlier while it was cloudy, but we got one, y'all. Little thick little stomach. Right up under there. I've been on the water for about like an hour and a half, 2 hours. Finally caught one. Trying to tackle all these bridges, and caught one right underneath that bridge. Go from back and try and get another one, a little big one if we can. Hey, y'all like jerky? Fresh, lean jerky. That real beef. That real carne. I get mine from a carniceria, which is a meat market, y'all. I buy it by the pounds, yo. Most I spent was $60. Think like 3 pounds. 3 pounds. I stay laced up. I got the plug. I got the jerky plug. Okay, y'all. We made it to way past what we wanted to do. We may even map it out. Let's take you guys on Google Earth and let you see how far I went, where I caught the fish at, and start marking things. Make it a little bit more interactive. I don't know if I'm gonna do that for every video, but I think it'd be good for you Delta heads and anyone else in a Delta to see where I'm catching fish, so you guys can pull up and do the same thing. Ooh, almost got tugged, y'all. As you'll see, we have a huge ship in front of us. I believe they own the trespassing laws of their ship, but they don't own the water. International, I see our flag. I don't see, oh, I see their flag. It's a white flag. Um, Israel. Israel has a white flag. Japan, I would notice it. It's a very discreet flag. Let's see if anyone honks at me or gets on the speaker. Or will they allow me to fish? Give them a little American entertainment. Let's see. The Antigone Force. It's the name of her. What's the laws, you guys? I don't even know what the law is. There's a ship port. You see, there's nothing posted. No fishing, no boaters, you know? And they're docked, so it can't hurt anything. And obviously, I can't hurt them. But, I don't know. I'm sure they got me on the binoculars right now. Like, what's this guy doing? Just let me catch a big one in front of him. But I'm just like fishing along. I wish one of these jokers would bite it. Just bite it, dog. And the tide is actually coming back up. So it's rising. I think it's rising at a pretty rapid speed. This ship is kind of big. I'm still trying to push through it. And I haven't even got to the middle of it yet. Pretty neat. I don't want to say anything yet. I'm gonna get underneath this big old train thing just to make sure they don't start moving it. It's usually underneath the water, I think. Or is it? No, it's not. No, actually it is. Huh. Alright. I got past it. Still kind of shallow though. It's much clearer on this side though. You guys see that big ship? This is cool. And you know they're up on top. I can't tell if they have binoculars, but they see me pushing through, so they're probably not saying anything. It'd be so clean if I catch one now. Trying to see what that flag is about. Oh, it's yellow. Who has a yellow? Brazil? Oh, shoot. Might look nice up in there. That was a good one. That was a bunch of followers. The ships have a nice little engine noise to it when it's idle. I don't know if it's picking it up.
What up, what up, what up, SPGs? We want to conclude today. Today was a tough one. As I was sharing earlier, we had triple digits for the last probably 5 days, and then it dropped down to 98, which was nice for us. But I think when you have that drop in temperature, it makes fish a little bit lethargic. I started off with I think a 7 to 8 mile long run for my small boat, and for any small boaters, kayakers, tubers, paddle boaters. 7 miles, 1 mile is long. So I did a 7 mile start, which I tried to tackle all the bridges on the southern delta. And I shouldn't say all the bridges, but at least the bridges in the main path that I was going. And I think that was 3 or 4 bridges. Caught one, and really that's all I had today. I had a few followers, but nothing that that actually had enough interest to bite my lure. Had the lake truly to myself. But appreciate you guys again. Always commenting to this junk, sharing this junk, liking this junk. See you on the next one.